Ever wondered why Nvidia's CEO is calling Trump's industrial playbook visionary? Stick around, because this isn't just politics, it's AI, chips, and a bold push to reshape global tech. From Sweden's Norrköping, Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang threw a shout-out to US re-industrialization policies, calling them very visionary. He praised moves to boost manufacturing in America, secure supply chains, and build real resilience and diversity into production systems. But this wasn't just window dressing. Nvidia is teaming up with Swedish giants Ericsson and AstraZeneca to bring the company's cutting-edge AI data center platform to Sweden. This partnership follows similar deals in Saudi Arabia and the UAE, made possible after the Trump administration scrapped Biden-era export restrictions that would have capped Nvidia's ability to ship AI chips abroad. Huang didn't beat around the bush. He blasted the controls as a failure, saying that American tech firms had lost about 50% of their market share in China over 4 years, while competitors rose. This, he said, is the kind of environment that policies aiming for re-industrialization should reverse. In plain terms, Trump's approach, in Huang's view, is about letting American tech win by selling chips globally, generating revenue, investing back home, building in the US, and that is powerful. The bold insight, strategic policy, even controversial tariffs, even bold reversals can catalyze global AI infrastructure and restore US tech leadership if tied to real-world partnerships and innovation. Now, quick interlude. If you're digging this breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. What do you think? Visionary or risky? So here's the bottom line. Jensen Huang's message in Norrköping was clear. Re-industrialization, when tied to resilience, global reach, and renewed investment, can fuel tech dominance. Want to go deeper? Watch the related video popping up in the corner next. It dives into AI export policies and their global ripple effects. If you're as fired up about AI and business strategy as we are, let's talk. At the end of this video, you'll find a link. Book a slot on my calendar, and let's explore how AI can drive your business forward. Don't miss out. Click, watch, and then let's connect. See you there.